What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Working on a C4 Corvette today, and today we're going to replace the blend door actuator. Not quite sure how we're going to get to it, really. I know about where it is in the car, but I guess we're going to start taking some things apart. The first thing you got to get is Dorman number, part number 604124. That's the blend door actuator. It's like any other blend door actuator. Three screws hold it on, and a plug. All right, so I think we get y'all set up on the other side over there, and I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see, but I guess we'll give it a go. So let's get moved around here. And all right, so the first thing we got to do is move the fuse panel door. Try not to drop it and break it. Next, it's 3 Torx screws, or maybe a 7 or 8 millimeter. There's one here, and one there. So let's take those 3 out. One. Once we have those 3 out, this should pop off. Set it to the side. Now, next, it's, from what I was reading, there should be 2 screws. It's usually a plate that's covering right here. Obviously, I'm missing it, but there's 2 screws in there. You can see them way back up in there. Anyway, we're going to take those out. So to remove this plate right here, you will just pry it off easy. Pull this out. Maybe I ain't got them loosened all the way up yet. Yeah, I do. Alright, got that out the way. Now, sorry about the angle here. Then there's 1, 2, and 3 10 millimeters. Take those off. Now we'll come back out here. And let's slide it this way. Take this 7 millimeter. I'm sorry, is it 7? Yeah, that's 7 millimeter out. All right. And I don't think I told you, I'm doing this to replace this actuator because I got on my climate control codes, 01, which is temperature control door circuit fault or something like that. And did a little research on it, and they say this is a possibility. So hoping once I replace this, the code will go away. Now we got to remove this under dash right here. I don't know how hard it's going to be to get out of there. Take this foam piece out. You have a light right here you need to unplug. And then, I don't guess there's any more screws that hold this in. I'm not sure how it comes out of there. And it's rather nasty. We'll have to clean that before we put it back in. Now, the actuator is under there somewhere. Get y'all set down here maybe. If I can get y'all where y'all can see it. Maybe we can find it together. I believe this is it. Right there. Feels like it anyway. Let me set y'all back over here and see if I can figure out what size bolts those are. All right, so it ended up being a 7/32. Now it's up under this dash pretty good. So y'all in for a treat and see me get a lay on my back in this little floorboard right here. Try to get this thing out. So hold tight. Let me get up underneath here. Old one. New one. So it's only two screws that hold it on. This screw and this screw. This is just like a guide back there. So next question is, how we get it lined up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is kind of a pain in the butt. Alright, so what I did was to get this new one to look like this one here, kind of in the same ballpark. What I did was took this cover off. It just pops right off, and took a little gear out that was right here and just rotated this till it was somewhat in the vicinity, get it somewhat close, because I couldn't turn it by hand or with a pair of pliers. So now, let's see what we can do. Upside down we go. Alright, let's give it a test before we put everything back together. Alright, so everything seems to be working just fine. So now let's begin the fun task of reassembling. Get a piece of foam here, set it inside. Get this little thing here. All right, 7mm back here. Three 10mm back up top here. Grab your 7mm, tighten it up over here. Grab our cover, it goes over that. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, and all that good stuff. All right, last thing we gotta do is put our vent back on. Wouldn't you know, I dropped my screw. Alright, anyway, I'll locate those. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, share, comment, click the notification bell, and hope this video helps somebody. Thanks again. See you in the next one.